and girls, let's take a look at slide number 3. I would like you to have tried to solve this on your own and then check your work with my video. So it says to solve and check your work. Let's read through this problem. It says at the arcade food court, chicken nuggets cost $4.75 and lemonade cost 95 cents. How much would it cost Jada to buy both items? Well, the first thing we need to do is we need to think about which operation we need to use to perform to solve this problem. So if she wants the chicken nuggets and the lemonade, we want to buy them both. So we're going to add them together. So we're going to use addition. Okay. So over here on my whiteboard, this is what you should have done. You should have written out $4.75. And you can put the dollar symbol up here. Sometimes I wait till the end. Sometimes I do it in the middle. And we're going to add that with the 95 cents dollar symbol here. We're going to add these two together because we want to know, oops, it's not very straight. We want to know how much she spent on both of the items. So let's add with our cents, right? So with money, anything to the right of the decimal point is cents, right? And in decimals, it's the tenths and the hundredths. So we're going to start here in our hundredths. 5 plus 5 is 10, carry our 1. 9 and 1 is 10 plus 7 is 17, carry our 1. 4 and 1 is 5, there's nothing there, so we put our 5. We've got to bring that decimal point down. Don't forget, we need a nice decimal point. So Jada, is that right? I forget. Yep, Jada. Jada is going to spend $5.70 on her chicken nuggets and her lemonade. If you did not do this, go back to slide 3 and fix your problem.